So this is how you open a text file with your favorite text editor program, and let me show you how to do the same with Python. Of course, the experience is a bit different. It's not about double-clicking the file, it's about writing code. So when you open that file with your text editor, what happens is that some object is created in your temporary memory of your computer in RAM. So the file was on the hard disk. When you open it, it's created as some type of object in the RAM. Same thing happens with Python. In this case, you might want to store that object, that file object that you're going to create in Python. You might want to store it in a variable. Let's call it my file. The open function is what creates file objects. And since it is a function, it will get an argument. Now, this basics.py file is in the same directory with the fruits.txt file. Please download the fruits.txt file, which looks like this. And let me split it here. You can drag a file on the side here to have two windows on Visual Studio Code Editor. But you can do that even in other editors, I'm sure, if you're using other editors. So this file, for now, let it be in the same folder with basics.py. Once you do that, then the input for this function is the path to the file. In this case, that would be fruits.txt, since the fruits.txt file is in the same directory with basics.py. Now, to read the contents of fruits.txt in your text editor, like we did graphically, it's just about double-clicking the file and then you see the content on the text editor interface. In Python, things are a bit more, they have to be a bit more explicit. You have to specify what you want to do, because this far we have just created a file object. If we execute that, nothing is going to happen. An object is going to be created in temporary memory, and when the execution of the program ends, the object will be deleted from the memory. Just like when you open the text file with the text editor and then you close it, the object, the file object, is deleted from RAM, from the temporary memory. So if you want to read, what you might want to do is print out my file. Now my file has a read method. So this is the object, the file object, which has a read method. It doesn't take any arguments, so just leave it like that, save, execute, and here you get the output of the file. This is how you read a file in Python.